Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is Asus ROG not turning on. So, first thing is perform a hard reset. So, disconnect the AC adapter and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds and just simply reconnect the AC adapter and try powering on the laptop. So, guys, this process can help reset the hardware and resolve minor issues. And now, another one is check the power supply and make sure the power adapter is securely connected and the power outlet is functional, and look for any visible damage to the power cable or adapter. You just simply test with a different power adapter if available. Another one is inspect the battery. So if the battery is removable, just simply take it out and press the power button for 30 seconds to discharge any residual power, and then just simply reinsert the battery and reconnect the power adapter and try turning on the laptop. Now, lastly, just simply perform a BIOS recovery. So if the laptop powers on but doesn't boot, a failed BIOS update might be the cause. So follow ASUS official guide to perform a BIOS recovery using a USB flash drive. There you go, see ya.